Hello and welcome to the Fernando 112 channel. This is the 2011 Dodge Ram Hemi 5.7 liter, and let me show you. This is the regular light. What I'm doing right now is I'm upgrading the headlights, the regular stock headlights, into HIDs. I'm putting some nice light diamond blue, light diamond blue 6000 case, and this is the stock one. Okay, I want to show you the difference. This is the stock headlight, and I'm gonna show you now. I got the other one that I already upgraded, and look how beautiful it looks. Look at that. It's like night and day, isn't it? Beautiful, super beautiful. Look at this. Okay, so I just want to show you that. See some of my other work that I have on my the Fernando 112 channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.